We recently got the opportunity to buy the Starlink mini antenna to test it out, and you can stay connected with it no matter where you go, as it is a portable satellite designed for speed, simplicity, and mobility. When we first open the box, we can find the steps to set it up in the cover, and we got the power supply and the main unit with its kickstand. We also received a pipe adapter and a float mount, and a 50-meter long DC power cable. With the kickstand, we can lay it upon the ground at an angle, or we can swap it for the pipe adapter. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, so whether you are traveling, camping, or just working remotely, it's lightweight and durable. And it's just a fraction of the size of the standard Starlink. The setup takes mere minutes. You just need to plug the power upon the unit, position it with a clear view of the sky, and then you can connect your device into the integrated Wi-Fi router. That way, within moments, you'll have a high-speed, low-latency internet powered by SpaceX satellite network.
Okay guys, and as you can see, now I'm at another location. So what I'm gonna do is, once again, set everything up. I'm gonna, place it up on this side where it's concrete. It's a more wide area where the sky isn't interrupted, and that way I can set it up. I'll check the application to set it up in the way that it's receiving the most signal, which I think that it's gonna be in here a perfect area, and let's test it out.
It's perfect for streaming, video calls, or online work. The Starlink Mini delivers speeds fast enough to handle everyday needs, even in places where traditional connections don't reach. Its energy-efficient design draws less power, making it ideal for off-grid uses with solar power generators or even portable batteries. And with its rugged build, it's designed to withstand outdoor conditions, as it is IP67 rated, meaning it's dust-proof and is protected from temporal water immersions up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. So whether you're exploring the outdoors, running a business remotely, or if you just want a reliable backup internet at home, the Starlink Mini gives you true connectivity. And I think that through the application we can check any kind of information about it, all the statistics. We can check if there's any kind of obstruction up on the sky. Even if it ain't aligned perfectly, we can set it up really quickly. It also has all the indications on how to move it anywhere that we need it. In case that we need to angle it, it will also tell us, so that once we do have it ready, it has the optimal connection to the proper satellites and the best connection to your cell phone, making it a really nice option and great to have it around. As I've said, you can use it on travels, you can mount it up on your car with the proper adapters, and using it's quite nice. It has a really powerful connection, and it's quite fast. Depending on the package that you can choose, you have different options depending on what you're gonna use.
Okay guys, so now as you can see, I have already set it up with the application. I checked for obstructions, set the speed test, and as you can see, I did have a really nice speed, making it really nice option to have it around. As you can see, I did have to move it around. It was facing that side, but the application told me that the best angle, so having a stronger signal, was facing upon the north side. Okay, which I think that it's nice that way you can set it up. Okay,